I am at Thane Bharat Sahakari Bank Limited, Shivai Nagar Shakha. It's a scheduled bank. It's a very big bank of Thane. So now we are going to COVID coat it for 90 days with this liquid. And our bank manager Santosh is there with us. So I am very much obliged that he has given us so much time to see it's 3:45, still he is waiting for us. So let's enter and make full bank flamigate. So here we are touching, Vikal, you have to put first this. Here wherever the people are touching it, we will be making it fully sanitized for 90 days. So now we have started the work. So the table, the laptop, the keyboard, wherever the people are touching it. See, now the staff is sitting here. So now all the staff is. तुमचा रिमोट द्या एसीचा वगैरे रिमोट वरती Yeah, so we have fumigated this table with Covicoat. Now we are fumigating this table, and the AC remote is also fumigated. The phone is also fumigated. Covicoat is fumigating all the things for 90 days. 90 days. Remember. So just put it on the this. आइए this way. So now this keyboard is been fumigated, the screen, so all the tables, chairs, everything we are fumigating. Even this wall, this glass. Huh? No problem. Just guide us. Huh? So now we have to take fumigating the buttons where you will be touching the buttons, and now the other part. This is a cashier's cabin. Everything has been locked. All the things has been, all the glass, inside glass. ऊपर भी मारना थोड़ा, वो भी पार्टीशन भी मारना, ये ग्लास मारो. So everything has been fumigated now. Full bank is fumigated. So now this is the second cabin of cashier. So there is a short of supply here. So now we are fumigating the counter, the glass, the door, chair, door handles. Now all this bank is totally fumigated for 90 days, my dear boys. 90 days. Nothing can happen for 90 days. So now everybody is suggesting that this is the major people are touching here more, so we are taking extraordinary precaution for this. And this is a printer. This is a tray out in. विकल उसका टेलीफोन पे भी मारना जरा, और माउस. ये ग्लास को मारना, because this is a gangway. People are 100% to touch here. People will 100% touch here. Now you please come to sir's cabin. बंद कर. नाही सर्वर रूम नको उगाच तुमचं. Yeah. Now this is the cabin of manager's cabin. Suresh sir is sitting here. So we are fumigating his sitting area, his phone, his keypad, his calculator, his paper, his staplers. सगळी स्टेपलर गोळा होतील का सगळ्यांची? We are touching the staplers. We are on the opposite side, main entry of the cash counter. So this is the main, people are coming here to take the money. So hand touching and everything is here main. So विकल थोड़ा ग्लास के ऊपर ज़्यादा मारना, क्योंकि शायद यहाँ से कुछ पेपर देगा, लोग टचिंग ज़्यादा होगा. हियर यहाँ पे स्लिप लेने के लिए लोग बहुत ज़्यादा आएंगे. Now this is the passbook printing kiosk. So 100% people are touching here, 100% people are touching here. So this whole machine is 90 days safe now. Stapler. So now stapler is the thing people are mostly touching, and the punch. So we are all sanitizing the pin, stapler, the stamp pad, everything. See, now nobody is allowed to sit here, but after few days people will come and sit. But now as this Covicoat is free for 90 days, so we are just taking precaution कि चलो अभी से मार देंगे. People will sit and will be very happy. मेरा निकाल. Now we are at the ATM of same Thane Bharat Sahkari Bank Limited. It's a scheduled bank. It's the biggest bank of Thane. So we have disinfected total branch. Now we are entering into ATM center. We will make all the ATM center. So now we are entering. So the main door, we are disinfecting the main door handle, because n number of people will come and touch the handle. So I don't want anybody to get infected. So now being we are disinfecting everything for 90 days with this Covicoat. So we will be, I am scared to touch the buttons. So now all the buttons and everything will be disinfected. Totally the screen, you are touching always the screen. The screen is totally disinfected. So Thane Bharat Sahkari Bank Limited, a scheduled bank, now is totally free of all the problems of germs, virus and bacteria.